What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Wednesday. So today we're gonna go over yield max, round hill distributions for this week, and I'm gonna give you guys a portfolio update to show you guys how my Robinhood portfolio is doing. So keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button to support me here on my YouTube investing journey. So this is High Yield Dividend Warriors Discord. So it looks like they already put distribution information here. So looks like yesterday for Round Hill, QDTE is going to be paying 21 cents. RDTE, I don't have that, 25 cents. XDTE is 25 cents. YBTC is 23 cents. And then we have Yield Max. I'm gonna just go over the ones I have. YMAX 17 cents, Coney 65 cents, and YMAG is paying 10 cents. So YMAX 17 cents, YMAG 10 cents, and then Coney is paying the 65 cents. And let's see what else they put on here. SPY T and QQQT, which I both have. SPY T will be paying 28 cents, QQQT 27 cents. So nothing too spectacular, but I'll take whatever I can in my portfolio. So let's head on to Robinhood. I'll show you guys how the portfolio is doing and how my positions are doing as well. So right now the portfolio stands at $50,981, down $300 for today. After hours, I'm up $506. Margin, let's go over the margin because I do use margin in this portfolio. $17,000 of margin, and I have a buffer of 53%. So that's still at low risk. That's what we want. And let's head on to my weekly dividend stocks, which is YMAX, YMAG, XDTE, QDTE. So YMAX, I have 980 shares. I'm down 25%. So let's add up the numbers here. 980 shares. We multiply that by what they're going to pay. YMAX is paying 17 cents. So multiply by 0.17. That's going to be $166 from YMAX. Might be a little more because of the fractional shares. And then we go to YMAG, which is paying 10 cents, 0.10. And let's see how much. I always forget how many shares I got of YMAG and all of these. So YMAG, looking good at $15. I'm down 19%, 476 shares. So 476, that's going to be $47 from YMAG. We added to YMAX, it's 166, $213, maybe $214 from YMAX and YMAG. And then if we go back, we're going to go over the Round Hill. XDTE, 12 shares. I'm down 8%, down 47 bucks. 12 shares, we multiply that by what they're going to pay, which I think was a quarter. Yeah, XDTE, 25 cents, so that's 3 bucks. Nothing crazy. We add that to the 213. So it's 216 YMAX, YMAG, XDTE. And then QDTE is 21 cents. We multiply that by the share count. I have more of QDTE. So let's see. QDTE, 119 shares. I'm down 15%. 119 shares. That's 0.21 multiplied by 119. That's going to be $24.99. So if we add that to the 216, that is $240 from YMAG, YMAX, XCTE, and QDTE. So $240 this week from those 4 ETFs. And then we're going to go over, I believe, SPY T. Those are going to be in my first week. So SPY T, QQQT, SPY T at 17 bucks. I've been buying around this price range. I'm down 9%, so 111. We multiply that by How much was SPY T paying? 28 cents. 0.28. That is $31. We add that to the 240. That's $271. YMAX, YMAG, XCTE, QDTE, SPY T. And then QQQT is paying 27 cents. And then I have, let's see what we got. QQQT, around 16 bucks. I have 128 shares. I'm down 7%. So 128 shares. I will be getting $34 from QQQT. We add that to 271. So we're at $305 from YMAX, YMAG, XCTE, QDTE, SPY T, and QQQT. We don't have anything coming from Curve this week. I got my distribution schedule messed up with Curve. Curve TSOP will be paying next week. But this one's doing pretty good. 83 shares. I'm up. It's actually above my average cost. I'm up 3%, up 56 bucks. So this one's doing pretty good. Definitely better than Yield Max in my opinion. And then we're going to go over Coney. So Coney is paying 65 cents, I believe. It's doing terrible. $8. I'm down 48%. Not doing good in this one, but just holding on to for the distributions right now. 484 shares. We're going to multiply that by, I'm just double check just to make sure. Coney is paying 65 cents. 0.65. That's $314 from Coney. We add that to the 305. That's going to be $619. Maybe $620, $621. I'll get the finalized numbers in the next couple of days, so I'll make another video most likely on Friday to go over all the numbers. But this is just an estimate. Over $600 in dividends coming in this week. That's going to be going towards the margin. I usually take some out for taxes and stuff like that. So over 600 bucks in dividends coming in. And I've basically been picking up a couple shares of SPY T, QQQT. I picked up another share of JEPQ, so I'm at 2 shares with JEPQ. And I'm up $1, up 1%. And then next week, again, we're going to focus on YMAX, YMAG, XDTE, QDTE, and I believe Realty Income and XPay. The distributions, I got to double check, but this is what I'm going with my schedule. Realty Income, XPay, and then from Yield Max is going to be MSTY and AMZ. AMZ is looking like I could hopefully sell this if it gets around 18 bucks again. I don't want to have too many Yield Max positions. I want to put my money into more stable ETFs, like I've been mentioning. So yeah, that's about it. That's what I'm gonna hold on to for now. Misty is doing pretty good. I'm only down 13% now, so if we could get to 28 bucks or more, I might sell this. Because the maintenance is just too high, 70%. I don't want high maintenance names in my portfolio. It's not good. The margin buffer is something you don't want to mess with, because God forbid the market tanks, then you could get a margin call and then you're gonna have to sell your stocks and stuff like that. So over $600 in dividends this week. I'll make another video, like I said, maybe on Friday to go over that, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you are new, subscribe to support me. I appreciate every single one of you that have been supporting the YouTube channel, man. I'm just grateful to keep on learning, growing, and sharing this journey with you guys. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Check out the links down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, you can use my link and you guys get a free stock. So check out the link down below in the description. So I appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.